Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a secondary update on the 4Runner about the axle and the seals. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I'm going to give a quick as possible update on the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Previous video stated I got some seals because there was diff fluid leaking out of the drum randomly, and then I took the axle shaft out and found this. So there's some broken parts right here. It looks like some of them are missing. So here's the seal. Looks like several of the ball bearings are missing. So that loud bang noise was actually this bearing taking a dump. So the bearing's actually pretty bad. Everything else looks good. The splines look great on the axle shaft. Tone ring and everything looks good. So it's hard to show, but there you go. It looks like half of them are gone to me. Really. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are missing. So 5 of the bearings are missing. I have no idea where they are. Can't imagine that they got chewed up because the truck was parked when the truck was only driven like 15 miles after the pop noise. So I will have to look in the axle housing, but figure to give you guys a quick update, I need to take the drum shoes off. There's the drum shoes. They're pretty nasty. So they're ruined. I can't use them anymore, even though they're brand new. Literally brand new. So I need to take the drums off, and then I'm going to press. I'm going to have to press all of that off. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So it wasn't the seal. It was this bearing is shot. Look at that. It's bad. So. But good thing I caught it now. I'm waiting for 2 bearings to show up. I ordered a couple bearings. It should be here tomorrow. Hopefully I can get this done tomorrow. I might be pressing this out tonight if I can get everything clean, because it is extremely dirty. grab a towel. So, it could have been worse. Could have been better, but so, just figure I'd give you guys a quick update. Nothing spectacular. Just bad bearing. So, it wasn't the seals like I thought, which they are. The seals are probably destroyed now since they took it out. But, I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. I also have a link, Also Tools link at the top of the description below. If you guys want to click on that link, you guys can get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm probably not going to record doing it. There's Timmy the Toolman has several videos on how you can take the tone ring and the retainers sleeves off and everything to replace one of these bearings. I'll more than likely just leave a link to his video so it helps you guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! See you later, guys.